In this video, we're going to take a look at how to shop on Instagram. So if you've ever wondered how to do it, this video is going to help you out. Like always, please subscribe to the YouTube channel as I create daily content for you to enjoy, which include tutorials on all the social media platforms. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. And then just below the search field, just below the search field, we're going to be clicking the shop icon that has a bag logo. So now you can see all the products that are available for sale from different vendors. So the first thing we're going to do is click on one of them, and then we're going to click on the image, and then it reveals the information that's hidden. So we've got the name of the item, the price, for all the items that are available for sale. So if we just click on one of them, and then let's say for example we're interested in purchasing one of these, you could click on the view on website button and go off and pay for the item. If you're just browsing, you can just click the save button and that item will be saved in your shopping folder. So we're just going to add a few more items. To our shopping folder, and just one more. So you're wondering, okay, well, so you've saved all these products, and how do you actually view them again? So all we need to do is click on the little icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then the three lines at the top right hand corner, and then we're going to click on saved, and as you can see there's actually a folder called shopping. So this is where our products have appeared that we've just saved earlier. So any time you see in your feed that there is a shopping bag icon for that particular post, that means that that item is for sale and you can purchase it. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.